So in the problem statement it is mentioned here that if a plus b is equal to pi over 2 and b plus c is equal to a, so in that case we need to compute the value of this expression, that is tan a minus tan b over tan c is equal to what, right? So first of all, let us observe what is given to us, that is a plus b as pi over 2. Now I will apply tan function on both the sides. So here a plus b is the angle, and on this I will be applying tan, and on pi over 2 I will be applying tan here. Now I will be using the identity for tan a plus b, right? So this can be written as tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a times tan b. Now it is clearly known to us that tan of exact pi by 2, it is not defined, and if some mathematical quantity is not defined, that means definitely irrespective of what the numerator is, the denominator is definitely 0. So if the denominator is exactly 0, in that case we mention that this quantity is not defined. So based on this, from this we can clearly write that 1 minus tan a times tan b, this will be equal to 0. So this I have got because on substituting 0 over here, I can get not defined, right? So that's why I've taken this one as 0. So from this one we can conclude that 1, that is the product of tan a times tan b, is equal to 1. Now the next expression that is given to us, right? So here I'll be utilizing the next expression, that is b plus c is equal to a. Now this is something which is given to us, right? Yes. Now I will be applying tan function on both the sides. So this b plus c will be the argument for this tangent function and for this tan a. Now I will be applying the identity again. So that is tangent of b plus tangent of c, 1 minus the product of tangent of b and tangent of c, and this is equal to tangent of a. Now if I multiply this quantity, that is 1 minus the product of this tan b and tan c, right? So this can be written as, that is the sum of these two can be written as, so here tan a is multiplied with 1, and here the product of tan a times tan b times tan c, right? Now once we're having this, the product of this tan and tan b is something that we got it here, right? So here instead of this, I'll be replacing this product with 1, right? So in the very next step, instead of this one which I have boxed it out, I'll be writing 1 here, 1 times this. And the reason is quite clear, because already we have established this fact that the product of tan a times the product of tan and tan b is 1, right? So from this one we can clearly observe that tan a is equal to tan b plus 2 times tan c. Now if you observe, this is the expression that we need, right? So from this given equation which you have generated, so this can be written as tan a, and if you subtract tan b on both sides, this will be the numerator, and if you divide tan c on both the sides, this is the denominator, and that is equal to 2, and hence this is the answer. So the answer to this problem statement is 2.